Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm going to show you my journaling from Saturday and Sunday. And I guess Friday I just played around and did a little bit of art journaling, so get something that you enjoy and let's just relax. So this is a piece of collage from a Real Simple magazine. I just tore out a bunch of my old back issues. I had not had time to go through them, and so I did not do that on camera, but I do have my September issue that I need to go through. I thought we could do that together, maybe this week sometime. But I wanted to cut out that little tree because on Saturday it was a gorgeous day. Everyone was feeling good, and so we went on a little hike. And I used one of those stickers. I think that's from a Happy Planner sticker book, maybe. It's like a little smudge of watercolor or something, and just wrote Saturday. I find that sometimes on these pages I lose like what day it is because it's written so small that I like to either use the washi tape from Jet Pens or one of the other websites, and you can get it on Amazon too. I can link it there. That has the day of the week, or write it bigger so that I can actually see it, or else I just like search around and try and figure out what day it is. So I did the same thing on Sunday, but used that washi tape, and I'm just stickering like crazy, and it's making me so happy. I put pizza night on Saturday because we ended up having pizza when we came home from our little hike walk-ish thing, and I printed out some pictures on my Sprocket. My husband wanted to go check out a state park near us for something for Cub Scouts, so we went and we hiked around, and are determined to go back again because we had a lot of fun and the weather was beautiful. So next time we go, we're gonna like grill, like they have fire pits and stuff, so we're gonna take hot dogs and stuff, and maybe my parents will come too and sit around the fire with us. So I'm excited about that. And it was a great morning because Addie had her first Girl Scout meeting in person at the park since winter time, because we've been having all of our meetings on Zoom. So we met at a park, and the girls, had to sit, socially distanced at the park shelter with their masks on, but we had our meeting all together, and it was so fun. It was so great. We decorated our camp buckets. So that's a really super fun activity if you have a Girl Scout or a Boy Scout. Well, I don't know if boys would want to decorate the buckets, but the girls were all about decorating the buckets. So we got a whole bunch of different colors and patterns of duct tape, and they got to decorate their camp buckets, which is what, when we can finally go back to Girl Scout camp, they'll be able to pack some of their stuff in their bucket, and then it also becomes something that they can sit around at the campfire. So super fun. It was really, really fun. And Addie's, as you can see, she's twirling around with her rainbow bucket. And the kids, I let them bike ride around the block. Now, I know that doesn't sound like a momentous thing, but they're out of my sight, and I have not let them do that before because I'm a helicopter of the worst variety. So I let them go around the block, and they were ecstatic about that little taste of freedom as I was pulling weeds. So lucky them. I put the little bird and butterfly. I put the bird, and then I put a little sticker that says "Let them fly a little," because we gotta let them fly a little bit. And that little fire piece of collage from the fire pit, and some other stickers and stuff that just reminded me of this beautiful, beautiful day. It was so nice out, and it was just a really nice day. So I am using that American Crafts season sticker book. I use the heck out of that sticker book. Someone sent me this one, I believe, and I know you can get it still, in the stores. In the stores, you can order it, and I think that I've linked it on Amazon before. But it's got so many cute stickers for journaling and stuff. So, and as per usual, I'm just putting a heart on it as well. Sunday was a day of chores and catching up and getting ready for the week. That laundry today or naked tomorrow is from one of the Happy Planner sticker books, maybe Sassy Plans. I'm not sure. That one was sent to me from one of you guys, and it makes me laugh every time I use it because they are sassy, and I am somewhat sassy myself. So, I forgot to tell you, when we were on the hike, Henry had a red shorts and a red shirt on, and I said, well, Henry, thank God you wore red, because Sasquatches love the color red. So now they'll come out and maybe they'll talk to us. Maybe you're a Sasquatch bait. The look in his eyes. Oh, another story for his therapist. No, but that was just it was funny. I found it funny. So anyways, back to Sunday. It was just a Sunday that felt so normal, and like we haven't had in so many months, like getting the kids' school stuff around, making sure homework is finished, and packing their snack bags for school, looking at the school lunch menu and seeing what days they'll want to pack a lunch, and it was just so normal. Oh, and then a brief interlude to swaddle Addie's baby. So I put that little sticker of a house, and then did I put my little Luna vacuuming? I have a code for Shine Sticker Studio because I freaking love them. So check the description if you want 15% off your order at Shine Sticker Studio. And you can use my code, Emily15. And let's see. Oh, I picked out one of these stickers. These Oji-san, is that it? How you say it? Stickers. The Japanese guy with the sticker, and he wears the top hat. I freaking love those stickers. I think they're so funny. And this one I used because the one point of contention in our marriage is the weed whacker. I am fully and utterly convinced that Michael does not do it right. Like, it can't be right. When everyone else weed whacks around the neighborhood, it's not like this grating, grinding noise. There's not like chunks of grass flying in the air. When he does it, it's like a whole different animal. And I keep trying to tell him,
I don't think that's how you weed whack. I honestly don't.
And he keeps telling me, no, this is exactly how you weed whack. So as I was doing this journaling, I kept hearing the sound of the weed whacker, and it just kept crawling deeper and deeper under my skin. And so hence the picture of Oji-san kind of, I don't know, running across something, but I drew in some little grass and some spots of brown to represent the chunks of sod flying up from my husband's weed whacking. And then I put that circle sticker and that little girl because, oh, Addie was having a day. Goodness gracious. I tell you, when I was putting Henry to bed last night, he said, is Addie going through puberty? I said, puberty? I don't think so. She's got a lot of emotions in a tiny body. And he said, oh, okay, I get that. Can I move out when she goes through puberty? He said, I think we're all going to have to move out when she goes through puberty. So it was just a pep talk to myself, just trying to be patient with each other and recognize that growing up is hard and we got a lot of feelings. There's a lot of feelings in that little tiny body, and we just got to work through it. Every day matters. Everything that we say matters. We just have to work hard to come to terms with each other. And I liked that bloom sticker because, all of these characteristics that are so difficult now, I know will be assets to her later in life. But during puberty, they might just kill us. So anyway, if anyone else has a similar situation, please give me some hope. And then some stickers. And then I colored in those little like ferns because they reminded me of weeds and the weed whacking saga. And I put a sticker on Monday that said 90% coffee, 10% dry shampoo. Except for I think it's probably more like 40% dry shampoo, 60% coffee, maybe 70-30. but a lot more dry shampoo than 10%. And then I decided to color that bloom sticker because I just wanted it to hop out of the page a little bit more. And that was my weekend, guys. So I hope that you had a good one, and I will be back soon with more journaling and to show you what I got from Hobonichi. That order came screamingly fast, like super fast, from Japan. I mean, it's taken longer to get something from Eastern Iowa than it has from Japan. That's incredible. So thanks, Hobonichi. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.